Good day, friends. Welcome to my video on using AI for investing purposes. Currently, we are looking how to prompt for different financial forensics models. So far, we have covered 6 models. In each of these videos, I have given an overview of this model followed by prompting with live use cases. So that brings us to the end of this financial forensic analysis. But there is still one piece of approach which is pending is the summary of all models. Instead of me going and prompting each one of these models, I can give a single prompt to only have a high level summary. It will be only a high level summary without a in-depth analysis. So this will be like a summary if I was to perform all the 6 analysis separately and gather inferences. So let us see the approach. The prompting would go like use the attached to your financial statements. The following 6 models, so not 5 models, 6 models. So all the 6 models, whatever we saw, giving some insights of what it should consider or approach, like Sloan's accrual ratio. There are 2 methods, 2 approaches. One is cash flow approach and balance sheet approach. For Jones model, there is a modified and a normal Jones model. So I'm telling to consider all the approaches. I have already attached the financial statement of Carborundum Universal and the prompts are here. Let us see the output. So it is first picking up the essential numbers for the calculation from the financial statement. So you can always go back and verify whether the numbers are picked up properly or not. Then first it does the period risk score analysis. Then it is followed by the left diagram 12 signals. By the way, to understand each of these model in depth, please view the earlier videos where I have dedicated one video per model covering in depth the different criteria, calculation, etc. This is only just meant to summarize or run all those 6 models in a single prompt. So now we are in the 6th model analysis. I'm not going to go into depth of each of this model, but this is the summary. This is what mainly I was looking for. So it says period risk score 7 out of 9. Left the more than the green signals. Benisham score low risk. Montier C score excellent. So inference, what does each of this indicate? Good earnings, very low manipulation probability, no earning red flags and so on. And the final assessment, conservative revenue recognition practices. You must worry if it is aggressive revenue recognition practices. Conservative, you are safe and good. The conclusion demonstrates high quality earnings with no significant red flags. The forensic analysis supports a positive view of the company's financial integrity and operation performance. So now let me take a contrary example. Financial statements of Gensol Engineering perform a financial forensics. Okay, let us see how this result comes out. So I'll be uploading this and all the prompts in my website page, Learning Hub page, where you can download these prompts as a editable Word file. So as we come into this, excuse me, as we come into this financial forensics, next we will touch upon technical analysis a bit, how I approach it for long-term investing, and um, any missed use cases. If you have any use cases in mind, let me know. I'll just do some research or prompting on it and share a video. Otherwise, we'll be closing this 70 odd part videos on investing in a couple of days. Now we are in the 6th model. So while each and every line is important, I'm not going through these each and every line trying to explain. It is self-explanatory. For example, period risk score, change in ROE, slight improvement, accrual quality, poor accrual quality, red flag. So I'm not going through line by line to explain that. You need to do it in your actual scenario. But for the moment, for this purpose of video, I'm just going to the summary directly. Yes, Piotrowski score is bad. Lev Tyagarajan, multiple red signals. Then Benish score, high risk. Montier C score, all the six parameters show risk. Slow accrual ratio very high. And Jones model shows very high discretion accruals. So inference, multiple red flags, poor quality earnings, above manipulation threshold, all manipulation indicators triggered, abnormally high accruals, significant discretionary accruals rejected. Okay, so you can see, like, many of you know what is going on around Gensol engineering. I gave the model, gave a simple prompt, and you have a beautiful analysis with inferences. That should be good enough to stay away from such companies from further analysis. So investment recommendation, it says avoid. The forensic analysis suggests that earning manipulation has severely degraded earning quality that makes the reported financial performance unreliable. The current crisis is that only. There are some the books are cooked actually. So it very clearly says the reported financial performance is unreliable. Immediate concerns, cash flow crisis, potential working capital issues, and sustainability of the current business model. That's exactly what has happened now. The company is not able to sustain further. So, as I told you, I'll catch up in the next video on technical analysis. Bye till then, friends.